Hello guys, andito ko ngayon sa metro station from Union papuntang Borjuman, then my final destination is Dubai Internet City. Yun. Pupunta tayo ng Atlantis The Palm, which is kakain kami sa may Saffron Restaurant. Samahan nyo guys, please patuloy nyo panoorin mga videos ko, and ayan guys, thank you. Nila mas kukunti yung mga umuupo dito kasi mas mahal siya ng konti compare dun sa regular na ticket lang, which is yung silver na card.
الأبواب تغلق, doors closing. المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي إكسبو 2020. المحطة القادمة هي بنك أبو ظبي التجاري. The final destination of this train is Expo 2020. The next station is ADCB. المحطة القادمة هي بنك أبو ظبي التجاري. The next station is ADCB.
Hello. Dito kami ngayon sa
Puko na kita ng alin. Picture?
Dito kami ngayon sa may Atlantis, The Palm. At kakain kami mamaya. Magdi-dinner kami mamaya sa may dito sa may Saffron Restaurant. Ito yung kanilang main entrance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uy, ayun. Ayan siya. Ayan lang siya. Ayan lang. Ganun lang siya. Ganda man. Ayun. Ganun man. Kunan mo ka dito. Kunan mo ka.
Damit yan? Damit to?
Parang ano to? Ay, At ito, tignan nyo yung ano, yung fountain dito. Ang dugri. Ayan, napakaganda, diba? Pero napakaganda. Ayan, super nice. Tignan mo, mga shells yung ano, super ganda. Hi. Dito tayo sa may Latos.
Atlantis The Palm
Meron din
is a
ditong
luxury
Rolex.
hotel resort located at the apex of the Palm Jumeirah in the United Arab
Super
Emirates.
ganda, guys.
It was the first resort to
napakaganda
be built
dito.
on the
Ang ganda ng
island
hotel.
and is themed on the night
As in,
of
mapapawaw
Atlantis.
ka.
And of
Alam mo
course,
yan.
with distinct Arabian
Tapos yung team
elements.
nila, alam mo yung
The
parang
resort
nasa
opened on
ocean.
September 24,
Ganun, may
2008.
mga shells.
It is a joint
everything.
venture between Gerstner International Holdings
Ito na ba yun?
Limited and Istimar World. As you can see, one of the roof designs
Ito pa
the
yun.
sea and ocean elements of Atlantis theme are well glamoured and detailed. The hotel was 7 ceiling murals by Evans and Brown of the Creative Painting Studio based in San Francisco, California. From the entrance to its interior, Atlantis had me amazed. San ka pa mga Kapinoy in Emirates? Yan ang bubungad sa'yo sa sobrang ganda. Pero entrance pa lang yan. Wait, there's more!
Tapos meron dito. Bababa talaga dito? Hi, good evening. How are you? Hindi dadaan tayo sa napakahaba. Hindi man pala siya mahaba. So, ano lang naman pala siya. Mukha lang siya mahaba ang tingnan.
Tara, samahan niyo akong silipin ang bawat sulok ng granding hotel at pasyalan na ito. The Atlantis Dubai is an iconic entertainment destination comprised of 2 world-class resorts that bring you extraordinary experiences. Discover a world of amazement across stays, dining, entertainment, attractions, and wellness. Atlantis The Palm is a Dubai icon. It is ultimate holiday destination for both couples and families to make lifetime memories. From thrill seekers to foodies, sun lovers to explorers, there is an unforgettable experience for everyone. Kaya naman, mga Kapinoy in Emirates, lahat na activities at experience ay meron dito. Sa ganda nito at laki ay tsak na hindi mo ito matatapos ng isang araw lang. Kaya naman Kapinoy in Emirates, tara na at isama mo na sa bucket list mo.
May ano rin pala.
Cheers!
May ano doon, may pool din pala sa may ano.
Labas ka din.
Food, ganon and everything. Family full talaga siya. Ano? Ang ganda. Yeah, too. Good for it too. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take a video. Yeah. Thank you so much. Ang ganda. Nahanap na kami ng maupuan namin dito sa may Saffron para makapag-start na kami makakuha ng pagkain at tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pwedeng kainin dito. Dito na ba? Oh, yan na dito. Dapat sa gilid-gilid lang. Like on corner. Like, yeah, you have like dun na lang. Mas yeah. Sorry then. Thank you so much. Ayun na kanilang mga ano. Ayun na. Maraming pwede naman. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dito yung table natin.
So what are you like still or spa?
Pastel.
Still, yeah. And for another drinks, my quality lessons is on it.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Vidya.
Huh?
Vidya.
Vidya. Nice to meet you, Vidya. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Mga Kapinoy in Emirates, this is Saffron Asian Buffet Restaurant. With more than 220 dishes and 20 live cooking stations, you're spoiled for choice at Saffron, as this is the largest buffet in Dubai, UAE. Wait! Live it up at Saffron's party brunch on Saturday, and dine on an international buffet for breakfast. Oops! There's more! Or enjoy flavor-packed dishes at dinner. When Saffron shines a spotlight on cuisines from around the world with Southeast Asian, Indian, and seafood buffet feast, saan ka pa mga kababayan? Kaya tara na! It is located in Atlantis the Palm, and the restaurant themed dinners at Saffron must do dining events at Saffron Asian Buffet, including Saturday brunch and themed dinners. There is an Indian Express also that let the aromas of vibrant spices transport you and savor the rich flavors of your favorite Indian dishes. Every Monday, for 255 dirhams or almost 4,000 pesos for one person or per head. Too pricey mga kababayan, pero worth it ang experience dito. Sa lugar pa lang ay ma-amaze ka na. Comment down below sa mga gustong maka-experience nito at tell me kung bakit deserving ka mapili ko para sa dinner na ito. At ang mapipiling subscriber ko ay bibigyan ko ng free dinner sa Saffron Restaurant Atlantis the Palm. Kaya mga Kapinoy in Emirates, subscribe na!